Here is a question how to solve merger and acquisition question. We take an example. Cisco Food proposed to acquire all of TISA share. Cisco give proposal to TISA for acquiring their share. The following data given. Cisco Food market price $48 per share. Number of Cisco Food shares outstanding are issued 10 million. TISA market price per share is $16. Number of TISA shares outstanding 2.5 million. Two options given by Cisco Food to TISA. Cisco Food offer $19 per share to TISA, or Cisco Food issue one new Cisco Food share for every 3 TISA share. Mean Cisco issue one share for TISA 3 share. If anyone have 3 share of TISA market, TISA organization, they can bought or purchase or allocated one TISA share. So here is the basic question information. Down given the revenue, operating cost, earning. For example, if they operated separately, then how much revenue and cost. So if they operated combined, then how much. So the data is given here. Point A, given a 20% cost of fund. What is the economic gain of the merger? While we require to find economic gain, formula is economic gain is equal to payment. Payment means net of payment means net earning. For example, if both companies operated separately, one earning is 30, second earning is 4 million. If they are both operating, then 40 million earning. So the net of earning is 4 million. So here is net of payment divided by cost of fund. Simple. Divide 4 million by 0.2. Answer will be, if we divide 4 million by 0.2 is 20 million. So 20 million is economic gain from this merger. Using the cash offer, how is total gain split between the two firms? Means if Cisco Food give cash to TISA, then how much both company will get benefit from this offer. So first find how much CF will pay. Payment equal to number of share multiply per share price. In given question, TISA has 2.5 million share. Cisco offer $19. So we multiply 2.5 million by 19 Answer will be $47.5 million. First requirement is to find payment. Second, premium received by TISA shareholder. Premium equal to received above the market price multiply number of share. So 2.5 million number of share, 3 multiply 2.5 million. Answer is 7.5 million share. 5 million, sorry. TISA, if accept cash offer, then they received 7.5 million gain. Why? Because Sisa Food offer $3 above the market price per share. Next is to find premium paid. How much CF paid as a premium? Simple. Purchase price less market value. We calculate purchase price here 47.5 million. So 47.5 million less cost market value. Market value is 40 million. 40 million comes from 2.5 million multiply 16. So answer is 7.5 million. TISA receives 7.5 million as a premium and Sisa pay the same amount as a premium. The next is how much economic benefit received by Sisa Food. Simply, total economic gain was 20 million. We calculate in questions part first. How much we pay as a premium? Less premium 7.5 million equal to 12.5 million. So here is 12.5 million economic gain for Cisco Food or CF, and premium received by TISA 7.5 million. Economic gain is 20 million. This is how to solve merger question when one company offer cash to other company for acquiring all their assets. Goodbye.